Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Snapchat from contacts. It's pretty easy and quick. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you're in your Snapchat account, head over to the adding section. And once you're there, you can add your friends here. And as you can see, there is a option of all contacts besides quick add in the right side. Click on the all contacts, and as you can see, all the contacts in your phone is showing here right now that has a Snapchat with that contact number. So yeah, you can just click on add and the person will be added as your friends in Snapchat from contacts. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Till then, happy Snapchatting!